welcome back to our channel. This is the 2026 Tesla Model Y. It's been hyped as the ultimate evolution of the world's best-selling car, promising a sleek redesign, a premium interior, and a fix for the notoriously stiff ride. Does it actually live up to the hype? We've spent time behind the wheel. We've wrestled with its most controversial new features, and we're here to give you the unfiltered truth. Outside, the changes are subtle but effective. The front and rear are redesigned with sharp, full-width light bars inspired by the Cybertruck, which instantly makes the old model look dated. It's not just for looks. The new design is more aerodynamic, helping to squeeze out a little more range. We also noticed the panel gaps seem tighter and more consistent, a welcome improvement in build quality. Inside, Tesla pushes its minimalist design even further, and it's a mixed bag. The cabin absolutely feels more premium, with new soft touch materials, configurable ambient lighting, and finally, ventilated front seats. It's also much quieter thanks to acoustic glass all around, and rear passengers get their own 8-inch screen for media and climate. But the big story is what's gone. There are no stalks on the steering column. You now change gears by swiping a slider on the main screen. In a moment where you need a quick 3-point turn, it feels clumsy and less safe than a physical shifter. A solution to a problem that never existed. On the road, the single biggest improvement is the ride. The old Model Y's harshness is gone, replaced by a dramatically more comfortable suspension that makes the car feel far more sophisticated. Don't worry, the fun is still there. This long-range model still delivers that instant, thrilling kick of acceleration. Real-world range is another strong point, with the EPA's 327-mile estimate feeling refreshingly honest and achievable. The Model Y's weakness, however, is charging. It's still built on a 400-volt system, while rivals use 800-volt systems that let them charge significantly faster. The 2026 Model Y is a fantastic update that fixes the single biggest complaint about its predecessor: the ride quality. It's quieter, classier, and feels more grown up, but its charging speed is no longer at the front of the pack, and its extreme minimalism has created real-world usability problems. It remains an outstanding EV, but for the first time, its rivals aren't just catching up. In some key areas, they've pulled ahead. If you found this honest review helpful, make sure you subscribe because our 1,000-mile road trip test is just around the corner.